Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to accept pending payments on PayPal. First, open your web browser and go to paypal.com. Log in to your account. On your homepage, check your recent activity for any pending payments and click on them. If you don't see it there, click on Activity at the top. Filter by status, incoming payments to review, and under type, select payments received. Once you find your pending payment, simply click accept to receive it into your PayPal account. And that's it. That's how to accept pending payments on PayPal. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.